Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be using plastic spoons. I used plastic spoons in a previous Christmas decor project several years ago, and I'm going to be doing something else this time. So if you're interested in seeing what that is, then I hope you keep watching. For this next project, I'm going to be using these two poster boards that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to make squares out of these, and then I'm going to make cone shapes, and then they're going to be, one is going to be taller than the other. So I'm going to do that next. So this one's all done. This is the larger one, and then I'm going to do the same thing with the smaller one. Next thing I'm going to do is use these plastic spoons from Dollar Tree to cover over the cone. I'm going to cut the stems off, or the handles, and then glue on the rest of it all around the cone. And I'm going to start with the smaller one. So this is how it looks all done. This was supposed to be the smaller one, but now that I see it, I'm gonna let this be the bigger one, and I'm gonna make this be the smaller one. I'll probably just cut it down to here. I'm going to be using these two spray paints on these trees. This is textured paint. The color is Caribbean sand, and it's just a light tan color. I'm trying to zoom in on the cap because the cap has like some texture to it to show you what the paint is supposed to look like. Caribbean sand, and then this one is desert bisque, more of a taupey brown color. and that's what it's supposed to look like. So I'm going to spray these down one in each color, and then I might do some blending depending on how it looks, but let's go with that. Let's see what it looks like. So I decided to stop with the textured paint and add a little bit of this flat paint. It has primer in it just to help the textured paint to stick a little bit better. So I'm just gonna add that to this one. Now that the primer had a chance to dry a little bit, I'm gonna go back over it with the Caribbean sand.